Hello, I'm going to talk to you about the difference between alternating current and direct current. Right, okay, so direct current is what we get from batteries. Batteries and cells. So what happens is the battery supplies the electrons with energy and the electrons start to move within the metal and conduct a direct current. Okay, so the voltage stays in one direction and stays at a constant value. Okay, so that's direct current, and electricity moves in one direction and the voltage stays at a constant value. Okay, alternating current is what we get from our power stations. So it's what supplies mains electricity, so your plugs in your home. Okay, so because in these power stations you've got spinning magnets, okay, the current is moving backwards and forwards. The electrons are alternating between a positive direction and a negative direction. Okay, what that looks like is your electrons move forward, and then this electron will then move back the other way, and then it'll move the other way, and it'll move back to its original position. So your electrons are kind of doing this. So they move forward, back to the centre, that way, then the other way. So they're alternating in direction. So if you're asked to describe alternating current, the electrons alternate between a positive and a negative direction. Okay, so what this looks like, okay, the voltage alternates between positive and negative because they're moving backwards and forwards. Okay, mains electricity facts for the UK. For the United Kingdom, voltage is set to 230, the best time to go to the dentist. Okay, the frequency, so how often do they move backwards and forwards? They move backwards and forwards 50 times a second. So we say that the frequency is 50 hertz. Okay, so 50 times a second, frequency, 1 second divided by time. Okay, so time is 1 divided by frequency. So 1 divided by 50 tells us that those electrons move backwards and forwards every 0.02 seconds for a complete cycle. And that's direct and alternating current. Cheers.